Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of the course here. I've got my scenery up here. I've also got this runner in here. Um, Part of my little theme this week is about um, the lonely journey, or sometimes you're all alone. So I'll kind of combine the scenery with my theme here. And about sometimes you have to be your own inspiration. Watching a video or seeing a quote or whatever the case is, is good. But sometimes, depending on your individual situation, you may be your only cheerleader. You may not have anybody patting you on the back or, encouraging you. You may actually have negatives in your life, influences out there that are negative, and attitudes are contagious. So if you're surrounded by negative people, negative influence, it can impact how your performance. So be it school or any other job or anything. So that's my point. Just be your own inspiration. Believe in yourself. If this applies to you or it does, or not, maybe you can pass it on to somebody you see struggling sometimes. I come up with these topics based on what I see in the different courses I'm teaching. And if there's students who are not submitting work on time and things like that, or the quality of work. So if it applies to you, there you go. If it don't apply, that's okay. But still, time management. It's always about time. Every time I talk to a student, um, there's always issues, or obstacles, distractions. But it's about time management. Organizing your time, figuring out a way to get things done, making school part of what you do instead of something extra. And that's the big, that's the mindset you have to have, especially like in a program like this. This is not something extra you do on a Sunday night. This is the cup of, if you're the coffee drinker, this is the cup of coffee. Or if you're a parent, it's an everyday thing. This is just part of what you do every day. Your morning, get up in the morning routine. That it's just what you do. It's not something extra. And if you have that attitude about it, it'll be a lot easier on you, less frustration and stress and stuff. So, all right. And again, whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you're going to be right either way. If you think, oh, I can't get this done, yeah, you're right. But if you figure out a way to do it, you're also right. So, but anyway, so there you go. All right, so on to the course here real quick. Last week, those of you that were in the discussion, good job, no problems there. The assignments, again, I'll get to that in a second here. This upcoming week, you have the 2 chapters, environmental scanning, industry analysis, and then we also got the internal scanning of the organization, things internally. So those all interrelate, and this all goes back to the course and your final and your project. So each of the weeks you're doing these assignments. You can utilize those to build on your project. So we can have a little flexibility there, building on your project. So, but don't, this is a major project, so don't wait until week 5 to do it. And make sure the material you're doing in each of the weekly assignments, you can use that for your project. So that'll save you some time there. So, so each week stick to the same company, work on the different parts here. So by the time you get to the end of the course, you'll be good to go. So, okay, so with that, I'll cut it short here. I'll give you my test question for this week. We went to Walgreens. So you let me know what the 5-year-old was doing here at Walgreens. And with that, I'll let you go. I think we got one new person here in the course, but I'm a 7-day-a-week person, so if you need something, just text me, inbox system, whatever the case is, and I get back pretty quick. So so everybody have a great week. I'm doing this Saturday afternoon, so have a good weekend, good next week. Get in touch, and let's get in here. Everybody get in here, and let's get caught up. All right, take care. Bye.